What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe, man. So salute to everybody that's new to the fam. Shout out to all the double OGs and OGs to the fam. We got some exciting updates with Volt Inu, but y'all know, first off, I got to put on for, our community, Private Stock Market Game. We have our own Facebook group with over 6,000 active investors. I want y'all to come join in, come tap in with us over here. Private Stock Market Game on Facebook. 6,300 active investors. Come learn, grow, share different strategies with us, as well as learn about new projects that we're in. And we also have our official Telegram group, the first link in the description section. If you're interested in some of the projects that we are actually involved in, then reach out, join the group. Also, I wanted to show y'all, a little technical analysis on Volt Inu before we get into all the different updates. So right now, if you can see, we were obviously trading in a downtrend because the overall markets are down. Nothing you can do about that. Sometimes it's hard to swim upstream when we got the entire crypto market, falling. But to see what Volt is doing right now, it gives me more conviction that Volt will be one of the ones that has the best chance or a better chance of standing around at the end, basically being one of the last crypto standing, meme coin type crypto standing, if we see, the markets go through a full bear market, recession, or whatever we want to call it, crypto winter, etc. So after the price traded here in this downtrend, you notice we found a support here at the 6028 level. We found support. Then we began to trade sideways away off of this support. Basically, we bounced up just a little bit off that support, resisted right there at around the 8207 range, pushed down for a new low, a higher low of around that 682 range, and then we traded sideways from there, had a nice little tick up, rejected off of the around just about the 11 range, 1087, pulled back to where we are now at that 9236 level. Now, if you notice, we found a low point here. We found support. The price didn't move lower than this. But what we are seeing is the price went sideways, after we see the price trading in this channel here with the Bollinger Bands, these violet lines or purple lines that you see on the top and bottom, those are called Bollinger Bands. When those bands constrict, that means we're likely to see a breakout either to the upside or the downside sometime soon. Now, you see we got a breakout to the upside, which let us know that bulls were in control after this sideways trading period. That lets us know that bulls are bullish, that people are betting on this to still go back up. Now, we've seen resistance around that 1087 range. We pulled back to where we are now, but notice we've been making higher lows. So after we made this low point here, we resisted here, pulled back, made a higher low. So our lowest low off that support was the 628 range approximately. Then we made a higher low around the 682 range. Now we're rejecting off of the about 1087, but we need to hold our support above this about just about the, if we can hold it above about that 7-8ish or the 8 range, we should be good to continue this process of making higher lows. And once we do that, once we come back to this resistance line and we break through that, then, you can expect the price to continue moving. And we could see our next levels of resistance after that point is about the 13 level, 15 level about, and then again at the high 16, 17 level. Now, those are just rough numbers, but I'm just trying to get y'all to understand, what's likely to happen and to, see where we might have some resistance at. Also, take a look at this here. If you invested here and prices return back to all-time highs, it's not saying it is, but just saying if it did, that would be a 305% gain. So right now, you get the opportunity to buy at a 305% discount from the people who were buying here at the top. So that's what I want y'all to pay attention to, of how cheap you can get Volt now. Now, I'm looking to get some more at this lower Bollinger Band range about the, so if we get back to this lower Bollinger Band, that would be around the 7-9 range, which would keep us technically at that higher support levels. So making higher lows. So that's an excellent point, and it tells me this as well. We can see that we need that point to continue making higher lows, and by the data in the chart, it tells us that that is a key buying area that smart money or smart traders, investors may step in at. So I'm liking to see that, because that's telling me that it's pretty much bullish right there. Could it turn around and you know, could it fall? Yes, it could, but likely our indicators are looking nice right now. Now let's get more into what Volt is doing right now. You know, why is Volt still able to push through these down market times like this? Of course, it's not up, but it hasn't just fell and disappeared either. It hasn't did a Terra Luna on us. So make sure y'all come follow Volt at Volt Inu Official if y'all aren't following them yet. Now, Volt has just listed its 22nd and 23rd exchange this week. Well, been listed on its 22nd and 23rd exchange this week. So the first one of those exchanges is the Vendax official exchange, major. So look at this, what the WTF, another one, we killing it. So you can see the community is loving this right here. Major news to continuously be listed on new exchanges. Why? Because it makes Volt more accessible to new investors. Also, we got the P2B B2B exchange as well, the 23rd Central Exchange listing. So shout out to the Volt and the exchange communities that, you know, keep having us. That's pretty dope. Volt is voting in the crypto space as well as in the real world. It is now time to also vote in the metaverse with at CoinViewCap and Platanaso token. So interesting, making some new partnerships there. Y'all can come learn more about these people we're partnering with also. And it's important to, you know, Volt is doing everything that they can to, you know, cover social media space. You basically online presence, offline presence by doing things in real life. We got the second episode of Crypto Streets coming up real soon, so we'll be meeting and engaging with more people in the streets, informing them, teaching them about crypto, Volt Inu, Shiba Inu. You know, it's gonna be dope, man. Make sure y'all check out that first episode if y'all haven't already. It's on my channel. So the Volt keeps enjoying these discounts for all the below reasons, and because dinosaurs must be resurrected. We just bought 15 more J-Punks NFTs, so this is dope to see, because right now the overall market is down. Volt is doing the smart thing. Volt already has the treasury where it buys these assets. So to take advantage of these assets while they're on a discounted price is nothing but love for the community, because the profits that are made off of these NFTs and these other outside investments that Volt has in the treasury, those profits will be used to do buybacks and potential burns of Volt Inu. So that only makes the token more scarce and raises the price and increases the value of our portfolio. So excited about that. Also, same thing here with RumbleKong. So the Volt Vault loves these discounts. With their amazing and ever improved play to earn basketball game, the 5 RumbleKong's NFTs we acquire are a huge addition to our treasury. So 5 of those right there, and I think it was 15 of these ones. Yeah, 15 of the J-Punks NFTs. So, you know, not petty stepping either, you know, big stepping. We just got our official farmers market partner. PC Farmers Market is opening. It officially opened on the 18th, and Volt will be voting there as an official sponsor for the months to come. Massive exposure is an understatement here. So shout out to PC Farmers Market. Shout out to shout out to Crypto Chick. She's always representing, holding the Volt army down. And, you know, shout out to all y'all, man, that show love in the comments. I definitely appreciate that. Let's see what else we got from Volt. A lot of exciting things. I think Volt will be one of the last meme coins standing. If we see a bear market, you know, a full recession, a crypto winter, I believe Volt Inu will come out of the ashes. You know, I don't even think it'll go to the ashes, but, you know, I think it will be one of those ones that rises. So salute to all the other, you know, YouTubers that keep voting, you know, keeping people informed about it. That's very important. Volt Inu live AMA. The countdown is here. I'm not sure if that, okay, yeah, so that AMA already happened. We're going to have to get an AMA on the channel over here. That's definitely going to happen. So let's see. Volt says, if you no longer have any dreams, you won't have any reason to vote. Dream big to vote bigger. Volt also says, born in a bearish market, voting in a bearish market, going to the top even if the market remains bearish. So shout out to all the holders. We just reached 50,000 holders. That is amazing. Volt just did a 1,500 ETH giveaway. Volt is the only coin that I see doing these types of giveaways this often, y'all. Let me know if there's any other project that I'm missing out. But shout out to Jay Gagan for holding it down. So yeah, this is major, man. Our t-shirts for Lib Festival are ready and they are voting. Thank you to our official sponsor at Volt Inu. Catch us there May 25th through the 30th. Lib Festival. So Volt is getting in front of everybody. You see we got the UFC fighters. Shout out to Ian. So yeah, man, a lot of exciting news. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. We also got 4 Lazy Lions if y'all missed that. Also the partnership with Undead Blocks, that's gonna be major. So Volt Inu keeps on building, guys. 2 new exchange listings. Let's look for that original post with the dead blocks. So now partner with Now Nodes. It just does not stop. Kong Trading here says, show me just one project that does as much as my partners at Volt Inu Official. Literally one of the most engaging and supportive out there, just voting across the world. This is serious, y'all. Like, a lot of people have a lot of conviction in Volt. I'm not saying go, take out a loan and bet the house on it, but, make sure you got a little bag of Volt, man. It's not financial advice. Only after doing your own due diligence. If you like the project, if you like what they're doing, you watched all my videos about it, then if you believe in the project, then grab you something. But I definitely got a bag of Volt. So here's that post here from Undead Blocks. It's electric. We are proud to announce at Volt Inu as an official partner of Undead Blocks. We will be hosting a Volt Inu and Undead Blocks beta tournament. Stay tuned for more information. Join us for an AMA tomorrow. Y'all, this is amazing to see, Volt partnering with, influential people in, not only the crypto space, not only in real life, but also in the NFT space. It's showing that we might have an angle pretty soon. We might have our own, Volt Inu NFT angle coming real soon, y'all. Connect the dots. Don't say I ain't tell you. But shout out to everybody. We Design Hunt, salute. Got to shout out everybody making content to keep pushing this out further. So dozens of soccer fields are getting voted in Argentina. Soccer needs voltage. So we covered that already. But you can see that, Volt is doing everything they can to continue to push, awareness and adoption forward. So very happy with what Volt is doing right now. If you haven't checked them out at Volt Inu Official, check out my episode of Crypto Streets. We voted Las Vegas, man. I'm telling you, that episode is extremely dope if y'all haven't checked it out. The second episode coming real soon. Stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. That's all we got for this video. Free links or free resources in the description section, I should say. Stocks, crypto, you can trade, the whatever they give you for free. Buy your favorite coins or cryptos or stocks for free. Get some free money, man. I'm trying to put y'all on, but appreciate y'all for pulling up again. That's all we got, and we are out.